Ever been asked for a last-minute diagram like a flowchart, mind map, timeline, or infographic and found yourself staring at a blank slide, not sure where to start? We've all been there. But what if you could just type what you need and AI creates it for you? That's the power of EdrawMax. Let me show you how it works.
This is Parvez Durrani and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
To access the official site, simply enter the official URL and press Enter. You can also find the link in the video description. Click on that link to head over to their homepage. Once you're on the official site, you'll notice that EdrawMax is available for multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even mobile devices like iOS and Android. With EdrawMax, you can create a wide range of diagrams, PowerPoint presentations, drawings, AI-powered analyses, and much more. For this tutorial, I'll be focusing on the Windows version, but the steps are quite similar for other platforms as well. To download EdrawMax, simply click on the Download button for your operating system. The download should start automatically. Once it's finished, install the software. After installation, launch EdrawMax. You'll be greeted by a clean, modern interface that's designed to make diagramming as intuitive as possible. On the left, you'll see a menu with different diagram categories, and in the center, you'll find a variety of templates to help you get started quickly. EdrawMax is developed by Wondershare, a company known for creating user-friendly and innovative software. What sets EdrawMax apart is its sheer versatility. It supports over 210 different types of diagrams, including flowcharts, mind maps, organizational charts, network diagrams, floor plans, and much more. No matter what kind of visual you need, chances are EdrawMax has a template for it. One of the most exciting features of EdrawMax is its AI-powered diagramming. This means you can use artificial intelligence to generate diagrams instantly, saving you time and effort. Let's explore how this works. On the main interface, look for the AI diagramming feature, usually highlighted or marked as AI. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new section where you can create diagrams using AI prompts. Here, you'll see a selection of recommended diagrams, such as flowcharts, mind maps, timelines, and infographics. Let's start by creating a mind map. Select the mind map template, and you'll notice a prompt bar at the top. EdrawMax provides a sample prompt to get you started, but you can also type your own idea or topic. Suppose we have this sample, and we would like to continue with this one. If you're not sure how to phrase your prompt, don't worry. EdrawMax has an Optimize prompt feature. Just click on it, and the software will automatically enhance your prompt, making it more detailed and effective for generating a comprehensive mind map. This is especially helpful if you're new to AI tools or want to get the best results without spending too much time crafting prompts. Once your prompt is ready, hit Enter. In just a few seconds, EdrawMax will generate a detailed mind map based on your input. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. You'll see that the mind map is not only visually appealing, but also well organized, with main topics, subtopics, and branches laid out clearly. At this point, you can customize your mind map as much as you like. EdrawMax offers a wide range of editing tools. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts, add images, icons, stickers, and charts, and even insert hyperlinks or notes for extra information. If you want to rearrange branches or add new nodes, it's as simple as dragging and dropping. When you're happy with your mind map, it's time to export it. EdrawMax supports multiple export formats, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and image files. For example, let's export our mind map as a PDF. Click on the Export button, choose PDF, and save the file to your computer. Now you have a professional-looking mind map ready to share or print. Next, let's explore the Timeline diagram feature. Timelines are great for visualizing events, project milestones, or historical developments. Go back to the AI diagramming section and select a timeline template. In the prompt bar, enter your topic. Let's try the history of Samsung phones. Again, you can use the Optimize prompt feature to refine your input. Once you're satisfied, hit Enter, and EdrawMax will generate a comprehensive timeline diagram. You'll see key events laid out chronologically, with dates, descriptions, and visuals. You can customize the timeline style, change colors, and edit any of the entries. If you want to add or remove events, just click and edit directly on the diagram. When your timeline is complete, you can export it as an image, PDF, or other formats. For example, let's save it as an image file. Click Export, select Image, and download the file. Now you have a timeline diagram that's perfect for presentations, reports, or sharing online. EdrawMax also makes it easy to create slides for PowerPoint presentations. In the AI diagramming section, choose the Slides template. Enter your topic, let's say, how AI is impacting business. The software will generate a visually engaging slide complete with graphics and key points. You can choose from different slide templates, customize the design, and add your own content as needed. Once your slide is ready, export it as a PowerPoint file. This makes it easy to integrate your slides into existing presentations or share them with colleagues. Beyond these features, EdrawMax offers a variety of other tools, such as infographics, frameworks, SWOT analysis, and more. Each template is fully customizable, so you can adapt it to your specific needs. The software also supports real-time collaboration, allowing you to work with teammates or classmates on the same diagram, no matter where you are. To sum up, EdrawMax is a powerful, all-in-one diagramming solution that can help you create mind maps, flowcharts, timelines, slides, infographics, and much more. Its AI-powered features make diagramming faster and easier than ever, while its wide range of templates and customization options ensure you can create exactly what you need. If you want to try EdrawMax for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Give it a go and let us know your thoughts in the comments. What features did you find most useful? How did EdrawMax help you with your projects? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and AI-related content from Guru Tech Solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.